I sleep in my shop. So this is my bedroom here behind me. So as time goes on, I'm going to open the place for you to see my beautiful bedroom, my kitchen, and you see the setting. But just follow me, share this show, and comment. Your comment is very important. And apart from
àṣírí ti tú o bí Yèyé Mẹ̀ṣọ́ Lizzy Anjorin bí ó ṣe gbà wípé ṣọ́ọ̀bù lòún sùn láti ọjọ́ tí òun ti dé Àbújá. Àṣírí tú láti ẹnu arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí ESABOD. ESABOD ni arábìnrin tí ó kọ́kọ́ tú àṣírí yìí kó tó di pé Lizzy Anjorin fẹnu ara rẹ̀ sọ wípé òun sùn ṣọ́ọ̀bù. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn èyí tó kù.
that, you need to patronize me. You know it's not easy to be sleeping in the shop. When you guys refuse to patronize me, you refuse to pay, all of you that are owing me, you refuse to pay. And when you refuse to pay, what will I do? Nina, when you refuse to pay me, what will I do? I'll be sleeping in my shop. So this is the room I've been sleeping. This is my shop. So I'll still open it for you, but pending that time, I have new arrival. So join me to unbox some of my beautiful fabrics. I have some from Austria, I have some from Paris, I have some from Italy. I just have them, sha. But trust me, they are not something regular. They are something very unique. There is one HOH that is on popular demand, and it's so beautiful. So, let me see. So join me to unbox. I miss you too. Okay, so guys, join me. So which one should we open? I don't know the one we should unbox. So when I was not around, of course I just peeped in and I left. The reason why I didn't do show for a very long time, I was very busy, number one. Number two, I don't want a situation whereby they will say, Lizzy Anjorin, you get him water. And there is something about me you all can testify to it. Èmi ò kí ń bọ́jú ayé èèyàn jẹ́. Èmi ò ń ba ṣe èèyàn jẹ́. Tó bá wá fúnṣẹ́ mi, màá wá fúnṣẹ́ ẹ̀.